Imagine a yacht so advanced, so futuristic, that it doesn't just redefine luxury, it revolutionizes what a yacht can be. We're talking about Elon Musk's dream trillionaire yacht, a vessel so cutting-edge, it blends space-age technology, sustainable engineering, and interplanetary ambition. Today, we reveal the top 7 features of this revolutionary yacht concept that's unlike anything the world has ever seen. 1. Solar-powered warp engines. At the heart of this yacht is a solar-powered warp engine that harnesses the power of the sun, converting it into clean, renewable energy. This doesn't just make the yacht eco-friendly, it allows it to travel at speeds never before thought possible for a vessel of its size. Making Elon's yacht the first solar-powered superfast ship. 2. AI-powered automation. The entire yacht is controlled by a fully autonomous AI system, capable of managing navigation, climate control, and even personalized guest experiences. With AI assistants tailored to each guest's preferences, from the food they eat to the entertainment they enjoy, every moment aboard feels custom-made. 3. Mars Colony Lounge. Inspired by Musk's vision for a Mars colony, this yacht features an entire Mars Colony Lounge, a section modeled after what future Martian settlements could look like. The walls are lined with redstone and the floor is covered in simulated Martian soil. Guests can enjoy a zero-gravity zone here that simulates the feeling of being on another planet. 4. Floating submarine bay. Elon Musk's yacht isn't just about luxury above water, it's about exploring the depths of the ocean too. A floating submarine bay sits within the hull, where guests can step into a submarine and explore the deep sea in style. This submarine is equipped with advanced sonar systems to find the most pristine, undiscovered ocean ecosystems. 5. Spaceport deck. This yacht isn't just built for the sea, it's designed for the sky too. A dedicated spaceport deck is built to launch and receive.